Hello, welcome to Sorted Food. We are Fridge Cam.
This week we're bringing back a classic with a new facelift. If you're enjoying it as you watch it, remember to give it a like.
Welcome everybody to firstly my kitchen, but also to James Curry.
Hello.
We're here today because, well, James has been banging on to me recently about how amazing Italian salads are, specifically Panzanella salads, and if I'm being deadly honest, I don't really get it because it's just soggy, mushy, tomatoey bread.
It is, yeah. It needs to be. It has to be. Every time I've had it in Italy, it has been soggy bread, but it's the most flavourful, most delicious soggy bread in the whole world. So I thought, let's take that back home.
Okay, so one thing James has told me is that everything within this salad has to be very finely chopped. Why is that?
Well, I just don't think that it's nice to get like a big chunk of onion. You just want like a little bite of onion every so often. We're also going to run this under boiling water, just a full kettle of boiling water to blanch it, yeah. I have taken the crusts off the bread. Not going to waste it. I do want everything to kind of go a bit mushy, so the crusts I'm going to blitz rather than leave whole because they are a lot more solid.
How you find cooking in my kitchen?
It's alright. I mean, I'm going to be honest and say that I've brought some stuff from the studio. A Panzanella salad is probably one of those things that everybody has a recipe for and thinks is the right one.
Is it a broken down soggy bruschetta? Yeah. So it's the same flavours, isn't it?
Although a lot of people put stuff like cucumber into this.
Well, what's this?
I don't think you'd put. But a pepper I think is normal. What's not normal is that we're going to blowtorch it. So we're going to add a little bit of char.
I do not own a blowtorch.
I brought a blowtorch. You could use a gas hob. Metal tongs over a gas hob. You could put it in a super hot oven or under a grill perhaps. It would cook it a bit more than I want to cook it.
It'll burn his bum, look. You want to hover it over a flame until it starts to blister, pop, and then turn black. Now, if you weren't here, I would have thought to myself, I've taken that too far.
No, it's perfect. While Barry toasts that, I'm going to add some red wine vinegar and some water to the bread, and then as we prepare ingredients, we're just going to add it to the bowl, and then we're going to put it in the fridge for a long time. It really needs at least a couple of hours, but 6 hours gives it time. I wouldn't keep it in the fridge overnight. It's all right if these are a little bit warm. I mean, I like a mix of tomatoes. Those ones that you've got right now have quite a lot of moisture in them, which adds to the sog. And going through them with a knife, like roughly dicing them and going through them with a knife is what kind of releases, it kind of makes them all, you see they're all kind of mushy.
You know what my mum used to say when I was growing up to me to make me eat more tomatoes is, tomatoes are good for your testicles. Have you heard that? After this, we are going to be so fertile, aren't we?
I have never heard that in my life.
Have you not?
And it's,
I think maybe it's my mother's tale.
It's kind of disturbing that that's your mother's tale.
Yep. Oh, just some garlic in that?
I do want some garlic, yeah. Garlic, anchovies, and basil.
Okay, what now, man?
Lots and lots of salt, pepper, and olive oil.
Oh, I can't see where the bowl is. Oh, there it is. Thank goodness I had that torch.
That is ridiculous. Where's my olive oil?
Do you want extra virgin, extra virgin, extra virgin, or extra virgin?
I want extra virgin.
Of course you do. So what would you recommend serving that with?
So whenever I've had it, it's been like the start of a meal or part of a lunch with lots of little bits. I was just like wowed by it because it's so simple but it's so delicious.
Stick in the fridge and then FIFA?
Yeah.
This has been 6 hours and 20 minutes in the making.
I'm gonna say it's not the best looking dish ever.
And you managed to get every item that went in there. You can taste them all. I thought I was going to, you need a tuna steak on top of that, or you need a fresh bit of fish. Thank you. I've now had a proper Panzanella salad.
I hope it's the proper one.
So now we've had a very personal dish from yourself. Is it okay if I get up and close and personal with some questions?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This is a good one. What's one food you're embarrassed that you haven't tried?
Well, I haven't tried. There's a few dishes that I've been taken the mick out of for not having tried. For example, Pop-Tarts. Oh God.
Because it's a very American thing, isn't it, Pop-Tarts?
Oh, no.
I don't really know what they are. Okay,
I'm not embarrassed by it.
No, I don't think you should
Maybe I
be.
am because I'm talking more.
Yeah,
and
I
more.
know, you're obviously very conscious about it.
Yeah.
What is your favourite type of music? And do you ever listen to it while cooking?
Yes.
Yeah?
I actually like a lot of types of music.
Okay.
Wolf Alice. I like Bon Iver.
Right.
I like Tay Tay. Tay Tay's great.
They're two very different genres of
I
music.
know, I like lots of different things. They're 3 different genres
Yeah.
of music, very different.
Okay.
Yeah.
James, I want a one-word answer. This is an interesting question. If you could build one thing with Lego, what would it be?
The Millennium Falcon.
Sure.
The proper one, the one that costs like hundreds of pounds.
Got it.
Yeah.
What's your favourite sorted memory?
Oh no, I don't want to get soppy.
Go on. Oh, we're here. We're all here.
It's when we were all on a road trip from LA to San Francisco, and we were on Malibu Beach.
Oh, playing football.
And we were playing football, and you and Jamie were surfing,
Yeah.
and I filmed Mike barbecuing in his pants.
Oh, yeah.
That's the true story.
Did that video again?
That's not why that's my favourite memory.
Yeah. And what's your happiest memory cooking for someone else?
I love cooking Christmas dinner.
Oh, nice. What, for the family?
Yep. I love doing supper clubs, and we've done a few supper clubs.
Yeah, we should do.
Like
we
events
need to
in the
do a
studio.
lot more. We need to do a lot more of those.
I love doing that because working here, we get to eat and cook so much, but we don't get to give other people food. We don't get to serve people food.
You want to do more?
I would like to do more. Shall we do more?
We will do more this year.
I'm really excited by the prospects of more supper clubs and events and things that we can get people along to.
2018 is going to be a busy year.
It is. If you don't want to miss out on any of that, make sure you sign up to the club letter. The link is in the box downstairs.
And while you're in that box, there's also a link to James's Panzanella salad recipe. Give it a go. It's tastier than it looks.
Also, comment down below and let us know, what's your favourite James moment? I mean, there must be hundreds to choose from, if not thousands.
His was soppy. I think there's better ones out there. Comment down below.
We will see you next time. Goodbye.
Ciao.